An income statement is a financial report that shows how much money a business made and spent over a specific window of time. At its core, this document is designed to answer one simple question: is the business actually making a profit after all its expenses? This fundamental equation is the foundation of the entire statement, showing the difference between what comes in and what goes out. These categories break down the financial journey from the initial sale all the way to the final bottom line profit. While the income statement tracks performance over a period, the balance sheet acts like a snapshot of what the company owns and owes. Investors look at these statements over multiple quarters to spot trends in how a company is growing or managing its costs. This common saying reminds us that while profit is important, businesses must also manage their actual cash flow to stay operational. Understanding the income statement is a great first step in analyzing any business. Thanks for watching and keep learning.